There is always something about winter which brings out my inner thoughts more than any other season. Just like every other season, winter has its fair share on our daily life. But at the same time, winter is also a depressive season for many of us because of its slow and dull, dark character. But it took me a while to realize the pretty side of the season. I did also learn to embrace the beauty of the season, just like I love the other ones. And it's a restoration season for me right now. So it's just a matter of time to understand many things in our life. It may not be easy to embrace everything just like this, but it is definitely a great lesson to learn from this, which is patience, understanding, and accepting many things, many necessary things, bring more joy and peace of mind in your life. And I believe this is the best way to do many things in our life, because the universe will never stop for us. We have to adapt to it to find its real beauty.